up against this tree, I will surely find a slow and painful death. I ask it of thee, mine own kingdom's knight, to first spill of thy sword in mine own blood. Sendeth me to God.
So Ben, he comes from a broken home, but that's inevitable because they weren't really grown. When he started school, he felt so alone. It's no wonder he escapes with the games on his phone. See, Ben's a daydreamer and he wants to get away. And he's been hypnotized from a young age.
We join our star as he's a teenager. A digital Jedi. His phone is his saber. More advanced games to escape reality. He never played Conkers or climbed up a tree.
I thought you weren't coming out tonight.
Yeah, well, my mum's got that dickhead round again. Party Pete.
Hi. Come on then.
He's a right knob.
Yeah, well, won't last. Never does. Shall we?
Do you remember when Mum and Dad ran this place? Back when this city lived and breathed. You'd crawl around the whole shop and play at being barista. Serving me pretend cups of coffee. You loved it here. And how are you keeping it alive?
It's... you live. Tales you die.
Still pointing guns at kids, huh?
Is that all you got, twerp?